Hello guys, how are ya?
Where am I? Can you see me? Peekaboo!
Yes, we can all see you. It's time for Munchpak.
Look at him, guys. He's a mini.
Wonderful.
You're gonna wear that in the end of the vlog.
Okay. Let's see. Shout out to Roxanne for making this Munchpak possible, as always. Okay. Munchpak. There is not a single thing from America. That is awesome. A little scary, too. Alright, so let's start off with...
This is a reindeer cracker, I'm thinking. Whatever.
Tofu biscuits, rock salt flavor. Interesting, from Taiwan.
Oh boy, that thing looks so yummy.
What is that? Can we do one thing at a time, please?
Hey.
Alright.
This is what it looks like. Kind of looks like a polar bear or whatever.
Not sure if you guys can see that.
Kind of looks like a Kinder Egg Joy. I need something else. I need to take... Here, I'll share you.
Hmm? Hmm? Nobody? Okay. Here, hang on. This is
Sammy, give me something.
Pharaoh Kinder Happy Hippo Cocoa from the UK.
It looks like cereal, want this there? You say this kind of looks like cereal, but it kind of looks like a munchy cereal. It's kind of like cereal, but not. It kind of not cereal. Now that's my girl. That's my cousin. She just moved in here from her old house.
Okay, Sam.
She's gonna live here for 100 miles. For 100 days.
Alright. You want to try this one, Jazzy?
My
It's
turn.
like your Kinder eggs.
My turn. I'm gonna. Yeah, I had to open this.
Alright, let's try this one. Hang on. Wait. Let me read the label. Let me read the label first.
Something else. Oh!
Something just fell on my foot. I'm glad I wasn't a cinder block.
Kind of looks like sour grain chips.
Cosmo's shell-shaped snack.
Okay.
Mildly sweet chili-shaped cracker snack sprinkled with sesame seeds from South Korea.
Okay.
Interesting. Lay's. Can't go wrong with Lay's.
Yeah, hurry open it because you're not good at opening.
I got it.
Oh, waffle! A dried out waffle.
Oh,
But
wow,
you
this
have...
does look like cereal. Look at this.
You silly girl. She's just being silly to make you laugh in the video for the last time. What did you do? Eddie, I got you. Look at me.
No. Sorry.
Ew.
Girls, we're going way too fast here. One thing at a time.
Get her some, Travis.
Do you want some?
Get her a piece.
I need some of the peach.
It's really hard. Holy
I
smokes.
need some of the peach.
Here, Jasmine. Here, some. Look. Okay, try one. It's good.
Okay, now we're eating a Big Mac.
Yeah, I know. Eat,
Okay.
eat quick. Eat.
No.
Why?
No, Hannah.
You don't want it?
I need something.
Jared's Dutch
Hey.
Bakery
It's
Stroop
chocolate.
Waffles.
I need.
Alright, let's try it. We'll try it
Sammy, I need something else. I need this.
Alright, you want to do this? Oh. Food fight! The cameraman is starting a food fight. What do we got here? Richester Morai strawberry, vanilla cookie stuffed with sweet strawberry cream. Stop. From Brazil. This sounds pretty good.
Sorry, but I'm out of juice, so the vlogger has to go upstairs to get my juice. She'll be right back. Mommy, I need more juice.
Would you like one? Would you like one?
Yep. Oreo, please. Cheers.
Oh, it smells good.
Yep. Yeah.
It looks just like an Oreo.
Yeah, it is an Oreo. It's a strawberry Oreo. But I didn't like it. Want to taste some? Just cheese. Eat it.
Hmm.
Here.
Mmm.
Chi-chi. Okay, now, hey, let's see them in there. Where did you go away? Just because I have fancy shoes. They're on.
Okay, I'm gonna go with no on this one.
I can't see something. Let me see something.
Lay's cucumber flavored. No,
Try.
I didn't even like regular cucumbers.
Try.
Oh,
That's gonna go in the no pile. I'm sorry, guys. Okay.
Mama,
man.
in the end. I'm gonna try this. Here.
Moringa, Hachu, Parmesan flavor.
Oh, never. Wait, I got it.
What the heck is permission?
Okay, let me try it.
Okay. So Haichu is a Japanese candy. They have all different kinds of flavors, including a honeydew, grape. The honeydew is actually pretty good. I'm gonna put it back in.
Come back here, cucumber! Watch out, the mouse!
This vlog is going off the rails.
Yep.
I know that one.
Alright, choo-choo. I'm going on the train!
Okay, volume control.
Oh, that's so funny.
Cucumber-motion!
Okay, come on.
Oh, jeez.
I have no idea what this is gonna taste like, so.
Are you serious? It's gonna try it. It's gonna taste like orange. Daddy?
Oh, that tastes really good, actually.
See, Jesse, you want some?
Let me see.
Oh.
Stop. A satir mamul cookie. Traditional Middle Eastern style buttery cookie made with dates. Okay, I've had dates before. That's pretty good. United Arab Emirates? Interesting. Made with real fruit, so that's always a plus. Look at this. Look at the shape of that thing. That's cool. Looks like a UFO.
Kind of looks like a flower from outside. What?
Not bad.
Here, my lady.
Okay. Next we have... She's throwing food at me.
Food fight!
Okay.
Yeah.
We're going to save this one for last. Hang on.
Okay. This one? This one, Daddy?
Yeah, we're going to save that for last. Put it down in a second.
Last, Mama. Last.
Gaston, Lego Cocoa, and Hazelnut Cream Tart.
Why?
Everybody likes a tart. I had one.
Oh.
You try.
You think you can like
Relax. You can't tell me, but we're almost done. Of the gum.
Ooh, that's awesome. Look at that.
Thank you, my lady.
Try and get a thumbnail going there.
Wow. See?
Mmm.
What was that, Uncle?
Italy. Right on. Alright. We saved the best for last. Cameraman, please take this.
You can't show me, but I like to chocolate.
Sit down, girl. Sit down. Glico Pretz pizza flavored crunchy baked snack sticks with savory pizza flavor from Thailand.
And noodles, that too.
Let's see if Thailand knows how to make a pizza.
It's chocolate?
It's chocolate.
Commercials are so random these days.
Okay. Well, yeah, commercials are so random these days.
Although, guys, comment below. What's your favorite commercial? Do you have a favorite commercial? My personal favorite is the Dorito Time Machine. That's probably one of the funniest ones I've ever seen.
How do you tell chocolate? I'm probably seeing the weird channel. Weird stuff.
Munchpak.
I never see this. What in the world you like that?
I can't open. I did. How did you? Whatever.
That's you good. I had chocolate cookie.
Now that's what I call a close encounter.
You're not a baby.
Ooh. Jazzy, you're gonna like this one.
You can't tell me, but it tastes like real pizza.
It does. That's really good. I love Munchpak, you guys.
Okay, now I just try swallowing. Now I just take it. I like this one.
Guys, if you enjoy our Munchpak videos, I highly recommend you sign up for your own.
What?
These are good. And I'll see you guys soon. Well, probably. I'm trying to work on the Vegas vlog, so.
Bye, guys. Next time I'm going to come with my mom and dad to Vegas. It still has something new.